awfully in the dark, don't I? I didn't notice that before. I'm gonna try something, just a moment. Okay, that's a lot better. Just getting the mirror out of the shot. Because it's quite bright. It's reflecting outside. Also, I might have to randomly mute myself because the upstairs neighbors are doing some construction, it seems. So just a heads up for that. I don't know how much it'll pick up on the mic, but I'm going to try to be conscious of that. Also, it's going to be a short one because I don't have a lot to do today. We actually got so much done yesterday, and then I did more this morning. I finished sound effects. I set up the playtest build, except I forgot Linux, so I have to add Linux. Sorry, Linux, I forgot about you. I made new capsule art. I did the flying animation. I added new languages. So just like a lot of stuff. So yeah, not a lot left to do. And then I'm going to send out Steam keys to the people that signed up for them. Which, by the way, let me just say, if you're interested, I'll have a link for you. I'm excited to have an actual Steam page up. It's gonna probably be Monday or Tuesday. Just waiting for approval for that from Steam. And then I'm gonna be streaming when I publish it, but it'll be nice to just have a link to point to instead. So, Steam achievement localization. Capsules. Yeah, so I'll set up the Linux build and then we can write our message to playtesters, giving them instructions. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. I just have to zip it up. Oh, I forgot to delete the old one. Oops. Yeah, you gotta do that first. I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. I hope it's actually Saturday. So I have to do this on a separate screen, so apologies for that. I can't share when I do work for the Steam backend. Because of privacy. Adds Linux config. Linux build config. Adds Linux to version 03. Excuse me. I also just slept terribly last night. I tried to go to sleep and I just kept pausing, and I was just too warm. Hey, handsome, welcome in, Kezer. We're almost ready to send out keys. I just need to set up the installation for Linux, and I have to do that on my other screen for privacy, or rather for Steam's privacy. I hope you're having a good morning. This is X86 underscore 64. But it's lowercase x. Confusing. Oh. Yes, okay, no, never mind. Frost, welcome in. This game is called Stop and Smell the Flowers. I don't have it up on the screen right now. Quick 1 week game. Augie, welcome in. The game's actually like done already. But it's I mean, I finished like the logic for it in like 1 or 2 weeks. And then I spent like 2 months just making content for it. So yeah, pretty quick turnaround. Do you want to play it? Because I'm taking signups for the playtest. You just react right here, and then I'll send you a cute little playtest key. All right, so now this is done. As far as I know, someone will have to tell me if it's not working for Linux because I don't have a Linux machine. Stop and smell flowers, playtesters. Imagine playing video games instead of pretending to work. Do you pretend to work or do I pretend to work? Who plays video games anymore? Actually, I might buy a video game today or tomorrow and play on stream called Thank Goodness You're Here. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Frost. Look like I'm working, right? No. You're just sitting in your desk chair, as always, in that tank top. You spill a little food on it. A little sweat stain. And just looking at pictures of art on Instagram. Stop and Smell Flowers playtesters. Thank you for testing out the game. I am looking for feedback on clarity and general inconsistencies. Are you actually wearing a tank top? Did I nail it? Augie. Please leave any feedback here. Here. just copy the name of this, or do I have to like type it out? On the Discord channel. The game should be in playtest inversion playtest v0.3 with a Windows and Linux build. Just a sec. Sorry about that. No point in keeping up the farce. Linux build. Full achievement set. And localization for all supported languages in game. It's just like giving people an idea of where the game's at, and then your playtest Steam key is, and then I'll enter it. And then thanks again. Heart. Good. Okay, so now I just have to start sending them out. So sorry, this is gonna be a little boring because I just have to do this on the other screen so I don't, you know, show the keys. Okay. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear the sound. I'm gonna check. Okay, it doesn't look like it's picking up, so that's good. Alright, Kezer, I'm gonna send you the first one because you're here right now. And I believe you signed up. Yes. Okay, it does look like it's picking up the knocking a little bit. And then I'll also do Boardstone because he's near the top of my chat. So you should have it now. And yeah, I would be interested to know if, like, if you're at your computer, no worries if you're not. But if you are, I'd be interested to know if you are able to download it and everything. Okay, Gamma and It's nice to see repeats from my last playtest. I hope this is like worth people's time. I'd feel bad. Oh, I think I didn't send one to Mungo before because he just signed up on his own. So how is everyone's weekend going? Any chocolate cake I should know about? I've been eating a lot of bran lately. That's like my new obsession, which is really embarrassing. Like I feel 100 years old for saying that, but that's where I'm at in my life. Okay. Just a few more to go. I'm glad to hear that. I'm excited for you to test it. It was everything in my power to not send you an early build of it before it was done and working. Okay. Some people like regularly message me, or like regularly enough that I can just find their message. Some people are buried. Lasamat, hello, welcome in. Happy Saturday. I'm just sending out playtest keys, so I have to keep it off stream. But then I'll be back to doing stuff. Did you make cheesecake yet? No, not yet. I'm still in recovery, and so I'm not really cooking. I mean, I'm cooking, but not like anything exotic. I had some cereal today. Where is... Need something chill too. I did not sleep well again last night. Paracetamol and ibuprofen for breakfast, so I don't want anything that make monkey brain work. I could not sleep either. I was just like doing flips on my bed And not like in a fun way, but like in a, why is no direction comfortable? Why am I so warm? It's so warm. Fun way. Yeah, no, not a fun way. Tragically. Not in the way I'd like to be doing flips on my bed. Like a rotisserie chicken. Yeah, just like a constant spin for an even cook. So, between me not sleeping well and the fact that construction's going on upstairs, which I hope isn't getting picked up, but I'm afraid it might be a little bit, it'll probably be a very short stream today. Hadokinen, welcome. You missed it yesterday. You specifically said you'd try not to. And then, well, look at us now. It's okay. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Hi. Family life at other plans. No, that's totally okay. That's totally okay. Oh, I have to confirm I'm human. Okay. Cool. Wardstone, 5-stream streak. Congratulations. Welcome in. I think that was everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. Okay, cool. And I'll still have all the stuff if I have more signups. If I have any more signups, I will send those out after stream. I'm not going to send them out now. But as I said, it probably won't be a long one. Even the cats the cats got fed up last night. Went to sleep elsewhere. Damn. Yeah, Carrot never sleeps at my feet anymore. She always comes into bed with me and gets on my feet, and then like I move my legs at all, and she's like, I know how this ends. And I don't want to get kicked, so she just leaves. Okay, I have sent out keys. That's kind of exciting. But Hadokinen, I made an announcement yesterday on stream that you missed. I have another game that is already at the playtesting stage. And I just sent out the keys for that. So, and the Steam page is in review right now by Steam for publishing, or it's like in the queue to be reviewed. Oh, sorry, getting warm. And we're gonna work on it a little bit today, but I'm pretty excited about it. And that's not like the end of Hexery or anything like that. I just need more of a mental break. And this one was already pretty far along in development. So we're just gonna finish it. Yeah. And it's a idle desktop farming game where you just grow flowers and collect them. So I wanted to figure out how to do the Steam localization, or how that works. So I'm going to open the documentation. And then we can read that together, because that's not a secret. DB9, thank you for the giant me. Urchinlo, thank you for the hydrate. Welcome in. Yes, we're doing good stuff today. Sustenance, thank you. I did have some bran flakes this morning with some craisins, so I'm the healthiest I've ever been. I think localization? Maybe not. It's an achievement, so maybe features? Stats and achievements? Yeah, tell me about it. Oops. No. What are they good for? I can zoom in. I realize that's unreadable. Excuse me. Yeah, I do want to understand stats better as well. Because I don't understand. That's another thing on my list. It's 4:27 a.m. If I go into the kitchen right now, I will eat the fridge. Don't be afraid, my child. Eat the fridge. Oh. Give me a second. Exactly, the fridge is there to be eaten. There's my upstairs neighbors, it just sounds like they're walking around and like randomly hammering and sawing the floor. So that's why I'm gonna mute once in a while to prevent you from having to hear that. Okay. So the achievements are set up. I'm just trying to understand how to do the localization side of it. Because, like, I want the achievement to show up in the language of your Steam system. Okay. Now they're drilling. Like, I really hope they're actually doing something and not just like making noise up there. But it is like the middle of the day, so they're allowed to do things in their house. Okay. You can have 100 achievements? That's interesting. No, yeah, I mean the house drilling, like construction. Not the fun kind. Just like I didn't do the fun kind of flips in my bed last night. It's all very serious. Nixa, welcome in. Maybe they're looking to starting clog dancing. I swear to God, they have a jar, like a glass, like huge jar of marbles that like 3 times a day gets knocked over and shattered and spilled around the floor. And like, I don't think they have a cat or anything. I think they just like keep knocking over their giant jars of marbles. Cause it's like, it's like loud bang and then it's like, shh, like all over the floor. You can like hear it like scattering. Like, overall, the soundproofing in the house is really good. But if they're, like, doing something with the concrete structure, then, like, it reverberates here really loud. So that's why I think they're working on the floor specifically. Okay. Steam localizing achievements. Actually, this looks promising. Download the files, edit them with text editor, upload the files. Oh. Okay. Maybe they're digging a basement. Concrete makes sound travel really good, especially the frequencies. Yeah. If they were like drilling directly into the concrete, I would just stop the stream because like that gets so loud. Like they've a few times done that, and it's just unbelievable. Okay. German, French, Italian, Korean, Spanish, simplified Chinese, please. Okay, save. Download. Okay, so then I get this. Oops, wait. Don't look at that. Oh, dang. I didn't think it would show it like that. These have a family that had 4 kids, one of which was an autistic child about 4 years old. His favorite toy was a rubber bouncy ball. He would maximize the number of bounces per minute each day to ensure the ball would work properly. Oh my god. My upstairs neighbors renovated their bathroom a couple years ago. My desk that sits on the other side of the apartment was vibrating. Wow. So loud, yeah. Yeah. Don't like that. Okay, so I'm seeing a dictionary. Here, maybe I can do it like this. So it's a dictionary called language, English, tokens, and then a sub-dictionary with the key of the achievement, and then the name in English. So I'm guessing I just need to copy this over for every language to every achievement key, which sounds absolutely miserable. Oh my god, I don't want to do that. So is there a way I can construct it? The kid was internalizing physics. Yeah, I mean, sounds like he was very passionate about ball. Mr. D-Boy, welcome in. Hello. Hello, hello. All right. So, this is just an example for my localization. If I said download as... There doesn't seem to be an option that would construct it as a dictionary. I welcome you and thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no, comma separated's not gonna do it. It actually needs to be a dictionary. I wonder if I could program it to write itself. Hold on, let me change my settings here. Here we go. Sorry for the beeps. Sounds of a popular girl. No, I'm just in a lot of people's Discord. So it just means other streamers are going live that, Shut up. I'm not getting DMs. Except this, like, weird guy keeps sending me pictures of his Charmander. Alright, can I do this? Kind of. Wow, okay. Okay. If we change this to B2. Two nerdy nerds, welcome in. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, the sad cat looks so sad. Hey, Brainoid, welcome. No one ever DMs me, so I'm not even looking. Wow. I swear to God, like, it's just Discord notifications of other streamers going live. And I'm not gonna tell you who, so you can't leave me for them. So a lot of my achievements are probably not going to translate well. Cosmic Bilby, welcome in. Anyone remembering run flash games inside Excel spreadsheets so you'd hide flash games in a homework USB so you could play them during school? I didn't do that. Not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't know how. But I did have games on my graphing calculator. Is Charmander a euphemism? No, unfortunately. Okay, let's see. Let's jump to a language I kind of know. Shanna. $100. This one just says daisy chain. Oh, this is... Wait. Is it because it's capitalized it thinks it's a name? That's weird. Hadouken is the Swedish translation of the phrase daisy chain, still daisy chain. The game I'm working on is actually going to have a boss screen that disguises the game as a Windows 95 Excel spreadsheet. That's pretty cool. But, like, how do you know you're having a boss fight then? Is that a dumb question? I have too many achievements for this. Also, just noticing the name is wrong. Now Steam is yelling at me because it's missing the localizations. Not a boss fight, like boss screen. So it looks like you're working, not gaming. Oh, that's funny. Well, good. We need more ways to steal time. Steal back our time. How can I do this? Okay. Oh, really don't want to format it like this. Also, I didn't need to hide this. I wasn't reading this clearly, but it doesn't need to be hidden. I don't really understand how it's supposed to work either. Like, do I upload each one separately? Okay, so it says upload a localization key values file. Here, the website will figure out what languages the file is for, and the language keys in the file. So, like, would I add a comma at the end and then copy it? I feel like I have to do this the hard way, and I'm really sorry. I don't want to. I don't think anyone wants to. But I think that's what we have to do. I'm just gonna do it without, oh. No, I already messed it up. I'm just gonna do it with a new language first and just see if it's working. That's beautiful. Thank you. I'm picking my nose. Is that... let's see. Could not parse. Okay. Like that. Time to leave again. More family stuff. I can hear the sigh of relief. Wow. Your own sigh of relief. Getting an excuse to leave me. It works out well, doesn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. Still have no clue how localization works, but I'm still far away from needing it, so I just add it to my to-do list. I mean, it's just like a, you know, a dictionary. where you're saying what's what the key value pair is. What I do, convert the CSV and generate JSON with Python. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about doing. Spooky Spookster. Welcome in. It's a very weird format, and I'm not even sure how, because like, it's not quite JSON, right? Like, there's no commas. So I'm just trying to see what happens, like how I can get it to even interpret this file correctly. Okay, it looks like this one works. Okay, save. No. Back. Cancel. Ah. Yeah, it's not quite JSON. Okay, so that did count as French. So this is how it's supposed to look. So, it's just a new line, no commas, no colons. It says it's a VDF file. Is it tabs? Tab delineated? Well, look who it is. What? It's me? It's you? It's... I just noticed the French translation of this is not great. Not you, Spooky. Oh, okay. Sorry. I'll leave you to it. Yeah, that's not a good translation. See, I had a feeling the puns would be broken. Un boisseau et un boisseau. I guess that's fine. Okay, yeah, maybe I can script a generator for this now that I know the structure. It's good enough. I heart we get it. What? Tu n'es pas française? Tu ne comprends pas? Förstår du inte? That was Swedish. I don't want to do this. So I guess maybe I'll just work on my stand-up routine while I do this for like a couple hours. I don't think it actually will take me that long. But this is not ideal. I'm still just thinking how I can do this programmatically and just doing this in the meantime. I mean, it made it seem like it was looking for a JSON interpretation, so maybe I could still just give it one. I could combine this into the translations on the earlier page. And then parse it in the game with all the keys. And then turn it into a dictionary with just like a tool script. Yeah, that's something to try. You can use Excel functions to create the entire line, just concatenating strings. Copy and paste each language block. Use Excel functions to create the entire line. You just gave me a different idea. I want to try something. Say German. I'm wondering if this will work. Oh, but they're not in quotes. So this is an Excel. I don't know if I can write programs in this the way I would in Excel. And also I just like haven't done any programming in Excel in a really long time. Don't like that. I guess I'll just do this and we'll just see if it works at all. Because that would still save me quite a bit of time. Uno momento. No, I can't parse it like that. Okay. Let's try the the Jason idea. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing here. This is not something I've done before, so bear with me. Generate Atch localizations. I don't feel like I did this right already. Video tool script. Yeah, I don't think this is actually what I want. Editor script, that's what I want. Okay, cool. Say print running script. Nice. Okay. So now we'll just we just need to say for each of these until we've created a dictionary for every language, every one of these. So get our language list. Right before I started stream today, I was listening to a song and now it's stuck in my head. And it's like, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful songs ever made. And I'm just like kind of feeling it still. Shouldn't have. It's like a sad song, so it's got me feeling some type of way. This is good though. I think this is gonna be the direction forward. I hope it actually works. Or I'm back to copying from the next one spreadsheet into the file. Oh, we have ads starting soon. Ball City, welcome in. Who do we have here? It's iHeart. it should say on the stream. Long time no see, friend. Long time no see. Although I did see you in Covino's stream. I did. Alright, ads have begun. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a quick BRB and go to the bathroom. I can hear Bud snoring. I just want to finish doing this first because I'll feel good if I do. Of whom we are disciple, Leslie says. Is he saying that? That would be interesting to know about. Such a yoinker he is, really, truly. Alright, I'll be right back. We're back. We are so back. I'm just gonna make this a new line too. Okay. So, language name, tokens, subdictionary. This is such a dumb format. So bad. Like, I can't get over how awful this looks. Covino did say that. I asked him, how do you know iHeart from shared Godot interests? He said, you are his disciple. That's how you both know each other. Oh. So he did say that. Wow. That's interesting. Maple Wraith, welcome in. Globally great Godot game master. Well, thank you. I like to think so too. Thank you. I'm glad someone sees me. Spooky Spookster and Zister, thank you for the follows. Welcome. Sorry I missed those earlier. I think because I was watching my volume for the construction sounds, I didn't have the right screen open. But I see you now. I see you there. I see you, baby. Okay, that's an old song. If you don't know, then I can't help you. Okay, so file access. From path. Open write access. So if I Shaking that thing. Is that what the part you wanted to hear? You want me to encourage you to shake that thing? Shake your groove thing, shake your groove thing, yeah, yeah. Is that what you want? You want iHeart to look silly? I've done something similar with VDF parsing. I used Valve Python /VDF at GitHub. Interesting. If I open GitHub, it's going to ask me to sign in, and then it's going to... Valve Python /VDF. An extremely goofy movie disco song. Yeah, exactly. It's disco. X-Job, welcome in. Hello. Pure Python module for deserialization to and from VDF that works just like JSON. Okay. So we start with a dictionary. Okay. Oh, interesting. But there's no JSON to VDF. Okay. And just append it to the domain. Append it to the domain. I don't know what that means. I don't know what you mean by that. Sorry, I like swallowed really weirdly and loudly. Oh, no. It's just when you click into GitHub, for me, it always prompts me to log in. And it prompts me by saying my full personal name and then my streamer name, because I have 2 accounts. So I just did it on a separate screen and then brought it over. I don't know that I had to log in, but like it pops up, so I didn't want to risk it doing that. I'm gonna just do it this way first, because it's gonna be very quick, but that's good to know that that's there, because I do have a feeling this won't work. But let's try this first. Const file name lock.json. Or oh yeah, I got you. That's okay, we got there. So we go by language. And it wants it as like a word. So we'll say for Lang in Lang name lists. Honestly, I could just construct the text. Maybe I should just do that. And not do JSON. So Lang How do I add quotes as a key? I don't think that's gonna work. Backslash? Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. So ends with curly brackets. Data plus equals indent plus backslash quote backslash quote quote language. Plus how do I do this? Square bracket language. It doesn't like this. It seems like it doesn't. How do you illuminate the cat ears? I mean, they come with the capability of being illuminated. I don't do anything. They just are connected to the headphones with a power strip. And it's like magnetic. She has candles. Yeah, there's candles in my ears. Interesting, is it? GitHub mentioned? Lantern? Oh, yeah, it's not really visible in the screen right now, so I don't have a redeem to light it up. Okay, we gotta look this up. Godot use quotes in stream. Godot, Jason. This is like not a good thing for me to do right now. Godot file access. Store 16. No, it's not. Just thinking, can we save it as the right file type that they wanted? File access open. Store string. Store CSV line. Store double. Interesting. Okay, here's what I want to do because my brain's like cooked, as you know, and that's like why I'm not working on Hexery. I want to step away from this because, like, even though we have this, I don't know how to do anything with this. Like, I'm just not prepared to run a Python script on my computer. I wouldn't feel comfortable just like taking a random one off GitHub and using it. And even still, like, I just don't have like all the dictionaries I need to do that. I know I have pip, but it's pip 3 and I don't know if that's going to be an issue. I can't. Brain soup, exactly. So let's do something different. And I don't know why the fuck they do me like this, but we knew this one didn't work. We tried this and it didn't work. So I can either hard copy these, which is not ideal because like learning how to do this will be good for doing it for future projects, right? Like if I have a nice script that just does this, then all my other projects are gonna also benefit instead of just doing it manually. But I can't be the efficiency queen today. All right, so the other task, figure out how to use Steam stats. What's the benefit? I don't want to do that right now either. Controller support, no. Let's make demo capsules. Let's do art. Okay. So these are this is actually an icon. This is the capsule I made. I made a new one this morning for Stop and Smell the Flowers. So we just need to make a variant for the demo that just says demo on it. And then I can upload it. And that'll be great. So say demo. Sniff, sniff. Am I sniffing a lot? What? I didn't even realize if I was. That's an ugly color. Oh, they're smelling the flowers. Oh, clever. Clever boy. I don't like it bold. I don't think that looks good. Demo. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's, Demo. Wow. Alright. I just wanted to see where it was. But I kind of like how it looks. I understand that it's very faint. We will fix it. I'm going to try this one more time, but first I'm going to add a layer style. We'll give it a nice outline stroke. Okay. Why did that rotate the screen? I want to play with different brushes. Yeah, I like the brush. I think that it just doesn't stand out enough. And perhaps it's the scale. Maybe the color was part of the issue. Light on light just doesn't really stand out. But I do love this hue a lot. Maybe I should capitalize every letter in demo. Demo. I've looked at the word demo too much now and it means nothing anymore. Moonbase 420, welcome in. It was a gross thing to say, but welcome. I'm not gonna stop you from living your best life. Even if I don't agree with it. Okay, so this is a demo main. And then we'll have... Oh, we already had this open. Whatever. Demo icon. This one's gonna be really messed up scale. Yeah. Don't know why it looks like that, but okay. So this is an icon, so it's gonna be teeny tiny. So we just want something, stop demo and smell the flowers. Yeah, stop demoing. It's over. Okay, demo icon. I don't have separate ones for the playtests because I'm not gonna do a public playtest. There's not time for that. Hey Tricky, welcome in. I'm making some Steam capsule variants for my demo. And feeling a little embarrassed because I crashed out trying to do something technical because I was just not able to. Where's the outline? Too much space between the text? On which one? Like it has to take up the space. We can't just have it tight. So, space between the text. Which text? There's two different sets of text that have different formatting. The stop and smell the flowers part. You're saying it has too much space? And are you saying vertical space or like horizontal space between the letters? Vertical. So you'd want more blank space in the top instead of more space between the lines. Like I can't change the size of the box. You want what centered? This? This is centered. Are you saying that like the combination of stop and smell the flowers and demo, you want that whole zone to be centered? But like this is the same one as the non-demo version. I'm just adding demo. so that that stands out. But if I shift everything up, they won't otherwise match. And so, like, they'll look different from each other at a glance. You like the demo being right justified. Do you like it being down justified, though? That's what they're arguing. That, here we go. They're arguing that the whole thing should get shifted up so that this whole block is center. I want the same for the non-demo version. Here, this is the non-demo version. That's it. So that's the difference. So like just slapping the thing on the bottom to be like, hey, this is the demo version of this. But like if we shifted everything up, then they won't even look like the same game anymore. You can put big, I mean, the whole thing is flowers. So it would cover up the flowers with flowers. Too much space between the lines. Well, that's something different. I am noticing the outline is different. Wait. Now, I'm going for a simplistic look with like the flowers getting exposed with a mask. Studying art, got a fashion degree, but I know nothing. That's not possible that you know nothing. Okay, we gotta go back to open. Library. Logo. Hero. Header. Oh, I opened. God damn it. Okay. Can't draw at all. That doesn't mean you don't know art. That's a motor skill. Oh. This is being so goofy. What do you think of Krita? I personally like it, but I find it a bit clunky. It took me a while to adjust to it, but it was like the first art software that I really used, so that's like my favorite now. And I use Procreate on my tablet, but I prefer like using a mouse and Krita. Okay, this one I think looks weird. I feel like it's just, maybe we gotta do that. This one's pretty cramped. I want to start an army of baby chickens that have little laptops that run Twitch so I can sell people cheap. That's funny. That's good. Just don't go advertising in my stream or you will get banished. Banished, I say. I've not been exporting these. Jaguvari, welcome in. Isn't it okay to cover some of the text with the demo since it's more of a temporary look at me image? I would go with that. I don't know. I like having it out of the way a little bit, personally. Vertical. We're missing small. I might not have a choice for the small one though. I think it's gonna have to cover. But I wanted it to be consistent, so I'm kind of bummed out. So tight. I mean, some games won't even have the word demo. They'll just have the like green band in the corner. Okay. So that should be all. So let's go through them and we can talk about it. So all I did was add a green swatch and the word demo in the same font with a border that's semi-opaque gray. And put it in the bottom right as much as possible. I do think this looks bad though. I think this doesn't quite fit. I wonder if there's like a demo filter. forgot The Sims 4 is free. That's crazy. It's not really what I was looking for. More like upcoming. But one that like has a demo. Okay, this one's, I guess, on the same thing, so they don't have a separate picture for it. Did you just give Carrot a little mustache? What is that? You like censoring her nose? How do I get to the demo page? Semo. What am I doing? Did you see my new project the other way? No. Is it... How are you sharing it? Hey Cam, welcome in. My Steam has done something weird. Oh. Oh, here's the demo. So they just have like this. So maybe I don't even need a custom one. A preview video of what I have so far. Can I see it? That is cute. Is it still readable at a glance? Yeah, I think it is. Is this the one you showed me before? That was like the spaceship one? This doesn't look the same. Trying to understand what's happening from the visuals. Like, what are the snaky things? What is that? Yeah, what are the lines supposed to be? The snaky lines. Clear the board. Snakes can only escape when there's no snakes in front of them. Okay. So clear the board of snakes as well. So it's kind of like a puzzle. And they seem to be taking out some of the blocks with them. Oh, Carrot's wearing sunglasses and judging me. I see, I see. Or Biddle. That's cute. That's a good name. Blocks are the main part. Where's the incremental part? Does it like get bigger and... I mean, there's the progression tree we saw. I want to see it again. So they're pointing at the direction they'll go. So this one could go now. I want to try this. How long have you been working on this? And when is the demo? You do have a playable version. I would be interested in playing it. FTL ambient vibes. I don't know what FTL is. Faster than light? 3 weeks. Playable version of the week old. Okay. You move fast. But I remember you made a game in it like a day for the Jiggle Jam and it won. So I'm not surprised. Is this like a private video? Oh. This one. I don't see it. Okay, the game's private. Okay. Well, no rush if you need to do like another update or something, but I'm interested. I'm interested. Yeah. That looked intriguing. Brainoid, do you know, will the demo thing appear automatically? Oh. But yeah, will the on Steam? It appears automatically, so I didn't have to do any of this. Damn it. Okay. Well, then that kind of saves me some time, doesn't it? Except that I already made it, but like saves me the more time to fix it. So that's good. Unity. I'm just kidding. I like this. Easy. Easy. My headaches just dissipated. That's great. Is it all thanks to my stream? Heck yeah. Yes? Heck yes, it's because of my stream. Oh, wait. Oh, I gotta collect this stuff. Hi, Carrot. Alright, we got a baby alert. And it's a big one. Let's do that. Hi, baby. Oh no! I didn't get the rock. Is there only one way to do levels? Is like a golf system you can get parties although that's an interesting question. I'm gonna lower the volume a little bit. I don't know what that means. I haven't run out of energy yet, so I'm not gonna put money into it. Makes your eyes hurt, not focus. Oh, I know what you mean. Oh god, I forgot about the time limit. Ah! Oh no. I blame Carrot. Carrot, no. She doesn't understand that I'm gaming. Oh, okay. Jeez. Wow, your breath is terrible. No! Oh my god, she's so in my way. Is she cute or is she annoying? Is there even a way to solve this one? That seems like an impossible one. Oh, it's time. Oh, I do need more of that. I like that they kind of look like birds. What was that? Bosses. This level has a boss. Shoot drills at the boss to defeat it or ignore it and clear the board to move on. No, impossible. Okay. Maybe just impossible with a dog in my face. Magnet radius. Alright, boss. I'm gonna just ignore you. No, Carrot, please stop wiggling. Oh. No! She won't. Please. William does the same thing. He literally gets on my tits. Yeah. In boss level, this thing next to start mining button. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I was wondering that. 15 sec. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to buffer. Okay, okay. So I could get points just from finishing it fast without beating the boss. Okay. I appreciate that I still get points if I don't succeed. Challenges earning special resources. And special upgrades if posted. Got him. Didn't get him. Sweet pea. You. Alright, I'm gonna set her on the floor now. She'll be okay. Okay. I like this a lot. And now I'm like gonna be weird about it. Oh, we're in ads. Give me a minute. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then we'll keep going. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time on the boss level now that I'm not playing in hard mode. And I'm gonna do upgrades first, and then we'll go back to Devon and such. But this is really nice. Okay, we gotta go fast. Bam, bam. Oh, double. Okay, okay. Where can I even go? Wait, 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 wait. Bam. Okay. Oh. Alright. Still though. This is very nice. Of course. Let me know, I mean, I don't know how much more you pictured doing. But if you want me to do like a dedicated playtest or demo test day, let me know. I would be down because this is tickling my brain in the good way. Okay, so for the custom demo capsules, we don't actually need to do that, so I'm just gonna call it done. Steam page descriptions, screenshots, and GIFs. Okay, maybe I've updated a bit more. Ask you play again. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, that sounds very good. Sorry, that was my weird suction noise when I was drinking from the straw. You can probably just ignore that. Okay, so because I don't want to do any of the brain things today. Who does? Am I right? I guess the next thing's going to be getting new screenshots, GIFs, and footage for a trailer. So we're just going to game and leave the rest behind. Can't hurt us anymore. Closing Krita. Yeah, save. I'm closing all these extra things. We don't need it. Looks like one more person signed up for the play test. So what I'm going to do is get the game started. Oh, I need to remove this. What I'll do is get the game started and then we can... Something I'm thinking about doing is changing the screen size. Maybe after I update it a bit more, I'll see. Wait, I already read that, yes. If I make the display smaller, then if I grab the whole screen, although yeah, so if I do it smaller and then I grab the whole screen, I can show the background at points while playing it too. So let's jump over to settings. I think it would be cute just throwing out an idea. One of those idle ones that go across the bottom of your screen. Flower pots that grow the more you type. Flower pots that grow the more you type. That's interesting. Wouldn't you be concerned about like data security if it's like reading your inputs? I'm not saying like we would take people's data, but just saying like they, like the gamer wouldn't know that. Bongo Cat. Oh, I've never heard of that. 9 p.m. I have an opening shift tomorrow, so take care. I'll hope to see you again soon. Have a good night, Cosmic. Have a good work day tomorrow. Sorry you have to work. No one likes working. Oh. Okay. So I'm hoping this doesn't mess with my stream. I'm opening Streamlabs just to do the screen recording. And I don't know why I went onto my main screen. Oh, that's me. Oh no, is that what I look like? Oh god. Just a game. Bongo Cat's just cat in the corner of the screen that bangs a taskbar for every keystroke. That's cute. I like the sound of that. I'm just adjusting the settings here. I guess I can show while I'm doing that. I think that's what it is. I don't want it to say... I don't want it to show the top bar. So I guess I have to go full screen. Just flower pot that grows the more you type. Cecilia J. I like it. It's a cute idea. And then like, what happens if it gets too grown? Does it stop? Or does it start to block your screen? Is it like the annoying goose where it just gets bigger and bigger? You have an idea of that much. Okay, that's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do this as a full screen recording. And don't record my voice. Okay. Oh wait, it's not picking up the game audio. Rodrigo, good morning. Lovely lad, welcome in. I'm just doing a bit of recording of Stop and Smell the Flowers, because that's the last thing I need to do is just record some footage, take some screenshots. And this recording isn't including the chat, so that's good. I have to lurk a bit, got some housework to do. Now my brain isn't crushing my eyeballs. Okay. Have a good housework. And I'm glad your brain is back inside your head. And then we'll just wait. I thought I might be able to get away with the old screenshots. But that is not going to be the case. I was looking at them and they're like just like very ugly. I deliberated doing this off stream, but there's just like nothing else for me to do on stream right now. So I thought this would be better than just reading out early. I'm for sure gonna read out early, but at the 2-hour mark seems too early for me. Yeah, this game's not really meant to be like the center of your attention and like the only thing you're doing. But to get footage of it, it kind of has to be the center of my attention. Wait. Okay. Waiting. I'll lose my streak. Okay, yeah. I'll be here for a bit. And it does sound like they stopped doing the construction outside or upstairs. Yeah, I was starting to feel a sore throat, and in general just been like very fatigued and could not sleep last night. I just couldn't get comfy and I was too warm and just, it has me a little anxious about my state. Oh, I meant to, I'll adjust the screen here. I'm gonna have to be a little less transparent, I think. Oh. Oh, hold on. There you are. There I am too. Done. Okay. Then I will just go for till I can't stand it anymore instead of waiting. I shouldn't have turned them all into seeds because I could have bought another plot. Rats. Oh, new flower. Grumpy Game Dev, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Graham, hello, welcome. Oh, hi, Peacock. Yeah, sorry, we don't have the chicken sound anymore. I was actually thinking about making some new sound effects because I have some really funny ones. So I want to ask, what were you up to? How was your stream? Graham, I'm not going to let that through. Reconsider your message there. That was a little sus. Yeah. Yeah, nah. So I'm actually doing a screen recording right now for a trailer and to get some GIFs of gameplay for my new game Stop and Smell the Flowers. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just playing through it, but it's like an idle game. Faffing about the C# Blazer thing, immersing myself in C# 14. Nice. GIFs, yeah, like the peanut butter. Like the peanut butter of my childhood. You don't like GIFs? Recently finished the Dungeon Crawler Game Jam 2026. Had a suitably horrendous entry. I think oh, new flower. I think I saw Captain Coder playing it. Didn't I? Pretty sure I did. And you said, don't bother finishing it. Yeah. Oh, new flower again. Just enough to get the idea, I think you said. What made it horrible, though? Scrub poo off the walls to win the game. Not much there. Ew. So it's kind of like a power washer kind of game. Poop washer. Is that less satisfying? Oh. Oh. Yeah, we're getting a lot of new flowers here. Let's see some more of these. So in this game, you grow flowers and they mutate and like fill this whole chart. That's what they're about. I'm assuming the raiders know me, but maybe I should introduce myself in case anyone doesn't. Hello, I'm iHeartFunnyBoys. I'm a game dev. I work in Godot, and right now I'm working on this, which is a chill, incremental, idle game where you grow flowers. Floral-based conspiracy theory mapper. Flowers. Now, it feels like that, doesn't it? With the insane chart. It's not based on anything except my own feeling of like what flowers are kind of like each other. But it works. I think it's cute. It doesn't have to make sense because you can read the chart and then you just follow the directions. Okay, we need one more of these, so do that. Money buys more plots. It's a plot, you see. The best part is that I don't supply mini-maps, so successful navigation of the game requires analog mapping. Or just like remembering. Thank you for the hydrate, DB9. Good idea. Flowers may be the ultimate conspiracy theory. Nobody would suspect them. Yeah, they're just everywhere though. Have you ever not seen a flower? Think about it. Think about it. I need the seeds first. Insidious dandelions. There's actually not dandelions in my game. We're not being excluded out of malice. But just because they're hard to draw in a distinct way. Especially since they have like two forms. Do that. Got 3 of them outside my back door plotting, scheming. Who knows what they're up to. They're gonna destroy your stoop or whatever it's called. All them dandelions, bane of pollen allergy sufferers. One time in high school, there was this guy that like during theater just like disappeared for a little bit and we couldn't find him. And then he just like strolls through the green room and he had just like yellow like all around his nose and his upper lip. And we asked what happened to him and he said he was just outside sniffing dandelions. And they just like, I don't know, that's like the most adult child thing I'd ever heard. It was cute. Dude was like a furry, but for dandelions. No, that's not what I said. Is that what you heard? How the hell do they keep dying indoors when I give them water, but they grow perfectly fine through concrete and asphalt? Coincidence? I think it's about you. They're like the 3 little pigs, but reverse. Because... Wait, what? That's totally what you said. Oh, okay. I guess that's what I said. I'm losing track here of my flowers. Yeah, okay. I want more money so I can grow more flowers. Clayman, welcome in. Brought here by a grumpy raid. Welcome. I'm sorry you didn't come here of your own accord. They thrive on neglect. Oh. That's funny. Just like me. No. I mean, maybe, actually. Male trees are the ones to avoid pollination. Urchinla, were you here already today? I can't remember, but welcome in just in case. Medusa, welcome. OMG. Welcome. I don't like it when I forget they exist either. Wait. You can't do anything right. We chillin'. We are. Is this your game? Yeah, this is Stop and Smell the Flowers. Oh, tobacco. Nice. We need money to buy plots so we can plant more flowers, so we can speed up our production. About 2 hours ago. Oh, okay, in and out. Okay, it's hard because yesterday evening I streamed, so it just kind of like the line gets blurry. You know, that's my mouth making the sounds. Money for pot? Is it 420 already? Wait, what? No, for plot. Plot. We don't do such things in Sweden. So. No. But yeah, this is my art. These are my flowers. They're not all equally nice, but they are all mine. I need another of this. But yeah, if anyone's like, why is she being boring? I'm recording footage, so I have a second app running to do screen recording of the game and audio recording of the game so that I can make a trailer. And it's an idle game, and I could jump ahead, but it's kind of hard to jump ahead in this game without just jumping to the end. So I'm just letting it run for a while. We're enjoying being boring with you. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, new flower. I like the bell. I added that this morning too. Mooniz, welcome. Do you have characters in the game? And if so, will they have flower-based names like Dan D. Lion? There's no characters. This is it. It's just an idle god mode manager kind of game. And you just have to grow flowers to fill out the tree. And I need these ones. Lion. That's so funny. I enjoy that. Okay, let's sell this. Yeah, I can also like speed it up, but I just don't want to. Those are the sound effects. Thought you were making the noises. I did in the past, and I recorded myself making them and put them in the game. Yeah, you can tell. There's also this one. Vroom. Did you hear the vroom? That was me going vroom. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sound effect is called vroom. Ooh. Nice. Okay, we can do more columbines without waste. So we have this. Oh. It's a catch fly. There's an A. Is there an A in that? I spelled it VWOOM. I think. Voom. Yeah. You should just know. So I think we finished this one. Yeah, paper white. And the orange ones. We need the tobacco variant. And the columbine variant. Just keep saying you make all these noises. I didn't make all of them. To be fair. I made some. Okay, so I'm expecting a straw flower. We need more tobacco for this guy, and we need more columbine for that guy. I'm assuming we need more Vincas. Oh, as you're playing, that's funny. Honestly, it hurt my throat a lot to make the sound effects, so I won't be doing that. But it is a funny idea. Maybe when I'm like streaming it on Steam, I'll do that. I'll like mute the sound effects and just make them all myself. Yeah, gotta have downtime, exactly. The playtest isn't appearing on Steam for me. Oh. So you took the code I sent and it says I have it in my library, but it's not. No one is clipping them sounds? Are you saying that they're bad sounds? Are you insulting my mouth noises? Why would you? How could you? Was anyone else here able to get the playtest working? Oh, I see a message from you, Cam. Is it a screenshot? It is. Nice. That's when you enter the code I sent you? If you look on the left instead of at the pictures, it might not have a picture. Because it's not published yet, but if you look at the list of text names on the left, it might show up there. Because like mine doesn't show up with a picture. Huh. Have you tried restarting your Steam? It didn't say it the first time, the thing about not having the... Okay. Do you want to try a second key? I'll send you a second one. Try that. That's weird. I don't know why that would happen. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, so it didn't work then. Well, they said no to garden plans starting just a couple of days ago. When I first seen the house with windows open. Now it's literally hailing. Oh, yeah. Kezer, did you manage to get Stop and Smell the Flowers on your computer? Did you try it yet? Giganzo, welcome in. Because Cam's having issues with it. I'm just curious. Hello. The game. Did you use the key I sent you yet? It's no pressure. I'm just curious because Cam's having issues. No. Okay. I hope it's not everyone. It's not available to download. What? Okay. The playtest is live. I send out keys, but maybe I need to change something else with the settings. Steam playtest. Let me check. Okay, yeah, no, that was my bad. I didn't fully set it up. Sorry, the last time I did a... Wait. Why does Steam need to check it? Hold on. Yeah, sorry about that. I didn't realize we had to do that. Because, like, when I've sent out keys for Hexery, it was the main game. So it didn't make me check. No, it is saying to do playtest. So you can get access now, but you can't play it now. Oh no. Okay. That's embarrassing. uh hmm. So if I had just requested keys to the full game, it would have worked. But since I requested them for the playtest and the playtest isn't published, it won't work. Okay, I'm gonna have to message on Discord, just let people know. Yeah. Yep. And they're not working because it's the weekend, so it's gonna be after the weekend. Okay. What about an itch upload? I could do that. But I wanted to test it with like the Steam achievement system. So I think it would be better to just wait. I could do the itch demo. Because I was going to do a web build demo on itch. But I'm a little worried people are going to be bored of it if I give them like the demo version first and then want them to try the actual playtest. Sorry for playtest needs to be approved by Steam. Bored of an idle game, never. Okay, well then I will publish it on itch. We can do that. I'm still recording here, but maybe I'll just... Oh, new flower. I probably shouldn't have done that and just let it... Okay, let's... Stop recording. Save and quit. Okay, so if I'm gonna do a demo build, I need to change two things. Remind me. Oh, oh, that's right. I changed the version to end in D. Okay. Clever girl. So if I do this now, yeah, we see the demo fog. Just quit. And then I also need to, for the itch build, remove the Steam Manager. Because it's funny like that. Okay. Sorry for the no music either. We were using the game music. So I guess I'll just sing to you instead. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That's the I Dream of Jeannie song. Okay. Well, that's a fun bug. Yeah, I wasn't planning on publishing it right now. It's okay. So I guess we'll take some time and do that. Squish it. No payments. Okay. Do I really? Ah. Is there not a way to say it's a demo? Hey, I'm gay. Welcome in. Welcome in from the YouTube side. Okay, it seems to work. It's good. And we got our fog of not in the demo. That was my way of hiding the demo stuff. Just throw a fog on it. Oh, that does actually work. I didn't think it would. There's a wishlist button that doesn't do anything. That's kind of an issue. I mean, it does do something. It just takes you to Steam. Because there's no link yet. Yeah, exactly. I was just thinking maybe I should remove the button until... But maybe I could just change the link to my Steam developer account. Could do that. Let me just find my Steam developer account. I'm so embarrassed. This sucks. Okay. So we're going to do a second build for the developer account. Okay. And I had the version hidden. Should I keep the version hidden? Or do we want to see it? I feel like I should keep it hidden for a demo. I don't think people want to see that. Okay. Well, I'm really glad you checked, Cam. I wouldn't have known, and then I would have been like, well, freaking out about it later. As I like to do. Love a good freak out. Okay, I'm gonna just pull back up the music. I don't want to rush this. I want to take a minute and make it nice. And I need to make a thumb 630 by 500. Great. Oops. The main is the largest one, so that's, oh. That's the one I'm trying to base off of. To grab the text. Oh. I don't know why it just shrunk like that. Since this one's more square, I could do more line breaks. Maybe let's try that. Yeah. And then all this got messed up, so I'm just gonna do it over. And we'll call it itch capsule. Cool. Yeah, it's in my downloads. I will move them later. Okay. So which of these even works? Simulation, maybe? I don't know. Does anyone have an opinion? I'm thinking simulation. And I'll also grab the theme page description. Coming full game coming soon to. I'm gonna snooze ads because they were supposed to come in like a couple seconds. Julu, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Sorry I missed that earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna snooze ads a few times and then I might read us out. To Steam. Maybe that's too big. We could center this. Yeah, I think that looks great. So some of this isn't actually available in the demo. Not in demo. Not available in demo. I might just take out these parts. Okay, so if it's simulation, 2D, no AI, single player, idle, incremental, burden, maybe? Cute, relaxing. It's probably good. It's not mobile friendly. That was something I was trying, and that's on my work on after the game page is up, is to see if I can get it fully functional in mobile. And then I can make the demo available to play on mobile from here. Procreate. Okay, I guess not. Hey Miff, welcome in. Did you work on this game in your time away? I did, yeah. Mainly just the art. I had the whole game functional prior, but then I just had a lot of time, so I just drew a lot of flowers. Keyboard, mouse, mainly mouse. Does that say gun? Oh, no, I don't know why I saw gun. I would say it takes days. English, Italian, Arabic, Dutch. I'm just like going backwards to the ones I just added. French, German, Swedish, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Russian, Ukrainian. I think that's it. Okay. Okay, and then a short description I can also take from Steam. It's kind of long compared to what they want here, but that's okay. Screenshots can wait. Well, maybe I'll just take them quick. Ugh. I guess change the font. It's called Sniglet, which is like my absolute favorite name. So cute. Okay. Do we care about screenshots? I feel like you do, because when you hover over the game, you want to be able to see what it is. I can grab some quickens. Smell shot. Louise, welcome in. Like, I got a TurboTax ad. 0% American. Nice ad targeting. They just want to make sure that you're something. I don't know. You can imagine I said something clever. Actually, let's just leave that for now. Okay, I think I got a picture of the inventory, the shop, and I just need the garden. Ugh, there's like so many of the same flower here. That won't do. I still don't have Black-Eyed Susans here. Good, ad servicing is too taxing. Yeah. That was good. I hope you got what I was going for with that weird noise that came out of my mouth. Once like 2 more of these pop up, we'll take the screenshot. That's fine. Okay. Pictures, screenshots. Oh, these are like already in the right order. Nice. Oops. Oops. Edit theme. I have a sidebar of the screenshots. I think that looks pretty good. I'm not crazy about the white. Maybe we could make it more of the same yellowish off-white. There. Oh, there. There we go. David Does Dev. Good morning to you. Welcome in. I am about to publish the demo for Stop and Smell the Flowers. Full game coming soon to Steam. Wish list link will be updated when available. Please follow the dev for updates on Steam for updates. Published. Public. Let's see what that looks like. Fruitcake is healthy, right? As fruit. Yeah. I think so. This could probably be a little bit bigger. It looks quite tiny. Sunflower. Rose. Hey Coda, can you order food? Oh no, did I get distracted and now we're in ads? Oh no. McDonald's or Chop Chop. I'm good with either. Or if there's a third option, let me know. Rats. I was trying to raid out soon, but we're in ads, so but I didn't finish in time, so it's okay. Does this look good, you guys? I think it's okay. And the game works. I think my preference would be Chop Chop, but I don't really care. I just don't want to cook today. Yeah, I just had falafel though. We had that like yesterday. Coda wasn't lying when he said he ordered it. So we ate it. I'm gonna publish this now. I'm so nervous. Okay, here you go. It's my first time publishing on itch, you know. Okay, I need to message everyone I sent the playtest to. I didn't realize the playtest build needs to be approved by Steam before the keys will... the game can show up in your library. The key will still work and you can redeem it now or later. I will message you all when it should be ready. In the meantime, I uploaded the demo of the game on itch if you want to try it out in a limited scope. Thank you for your patience. I love you. Okay. Thank you for your patience. Okay. It should have Portuguese. It should have Portuguese. Yeah, thank you for your attention to this matter. Does it not say Portuguese? Oh, oops. Okay, let me just double check. It's here. Yeah, Portuguese. I thought... No, I did 2 kinds of Spanish, not the 2 kinds of Portuguese. That's my bad. Thank you. That's embarrassing. But not as embarrassing as the thing with the stuff. I'm just gonna DM all the people really quick that I had before. Carrot, please don't jump on my arm right now. I'm doing a thing. She doesn't care that I'm doing a thing. She doesn't care. She just wants to be trouble. Alright, Kezzer, I'm gonna message you too just because I messaged everyone, but I think you already know what's happened. Carrot, please no. Please don't. I know, please don't. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna let her out. I guess I could have actually left it full screen, and I'll be right back. Okay. I meant to like leave this on the screen with the flowers and I didn't. So yeah, I guess what else do we do now? had music playing from both. Love veggie sushi. It's so good. So they like make a sushi log of like all the good stuff, right? Like cucumber, avocado, carrot, lettuce, everything, sweet potato. And then they wrap it in the tofu skin. And it's like fried tofu skin. And then they drizzle this like vegan mayo on top. It's so good. It's so good. I don't know what to do with myself right now. Thank you for following. Okay, so oh, link it to Chasing Phylums. The first plot's 4, the next plot's 7. They just keep getting more expensive. Yeah, each time you buy one, all the prices go up. So you can pick any one you want. You can buy them in any order. But each time you buy one, the price of all of them goes up. Yeah. So I have another page. Are they bugged? What? The plots? I don't understand your question. I have another page here called Chasing Phylums, and I want to like do an update. It's funny, the music in this is actually really similar to what I picked. Yeah, right, so it'll just keep going up. New spin-off game is now. You're playing it now? Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I'm sorry about... I thought because it was a playtest I could just publish it. I didn't know it needed to be approved. And it's strange, like... I guess because when I did it before, I did it with my like Steam page already live, so I didn't realize that I had that delay. So, but then Hexery, because it wasn't a playtest, you just didn't need to do it. New spin-off game is now live. Is now public. If you enjoyed Chasing Phylums, please check it out. I don't like having a double exclamation mark, so when that happens, I just combine it into one line. And then we'll do center. Just the URL, not the message. Let's see how that looks. Have you considered C++ or Godot is already more interesting? Huh? Considered C++ for what? I like that you can check and enjoy the seeds. You don't have to click each button. Yeah. Yeah. I tried to like make it as ergonomic as possible because like I was doing it on a laptop. C++ for game dev. So Godot isn't a language. So it wouldn't be C++ or Godot. Do you mean C++ or GD script? The language that I'm developing in for Godot? I've definitely considered C++ to answer your question. I'm gonna do a new devlog for this too. New spin-off game. For facing phylums. Jax, welcome in. Been a week? It has been. It's been a hell of a week. But I'm having fun. I hope you are too. Damn, okay. 11 views. Thank you. I have published a spin-off game of Chasing Phylums that expands the content greatly and improves on the arts and game feel. I just want to see, when did I publish this? June 2023. So yeah, June 2023 is when I published this game. So it's been almost 2 years. What's Cat Lady Sim? Did you see that in my dashboard? I can show you in a minute. It's been almost 2 years since I published my first ever original game, Chasing Phylums. Today, I am excited to announce that I have published a spin-off game that'll be in italics. No, that'll be in bold. I hope those that enjoyed the original game will give how did that happen? Stop and smell the flowers. A try. This. And image. Capsule. Public. Temptic, welcome in. It sounds like the music stopped. It did. I guess it was just at the end of the playlist. Okay, Cat Lady Simulator. So you made me nervous, Kezer. You made me really nervous when you asked that, because originally the Stop and Smell the Flowers Steam page was the Cat Lady Simulator Steam page, and I thought I had successfully scrubbed every evidence of that, but I'm realizing you don't have any access to it, so that wouldn't have happened anyway. I see Tetris. Yeah, Black Dropper was my second my second game, or third. I don't remember. Don't Touch the Pudge was my first, and Donut's House Party was somewhere in there too. And then I made Chasing Phylums. A lot of games here. Oh, I made Mouse Chicken. Everyone hated it. Sir Aaron, welcome in. But yeah, okay, so Cat Lady Simulator is a game I made with Oxbot. It's a first-person game where you run around and you feed your cats, you clean up their litter box, and you give them attention, and then you, against your will, get more cats. And and then you just keep getting more cats, and it just gets really hard to keep all the cats happy. And we were gonna expand it, but I felt overwhelmed by it because I was doing Chicken Chasers at the time, so I pulled out. And then Auk ended up not continuing either. She just got in a carrier, came home. Alright, I don't know if this will actually play. Yes. Okay. Where's my cursor? Accept. Oh, there he is. Edna. She. So yeah, they just spawn out of the carrier. This is the same assets for the Easter egg game. If you don't recognize it, you can fill the food bowl. You can do this sick crouch animation that I love. And when the cats want something, they follow you. So that's Edna. Edna already took a shit. 60-year-old crouch. I mean, yeah. You can jump. You can jump if you want. Jump on the chair. You can't, like, interact with the chair. You can't sit. It'd be nice if you could. Edna, be happier so I can get another cat. Hurry up. They kind of skate. You remember? Yeah. She's just sleeping in different spots around the house. Okay. But yeah, this was a fun one. I love the music from it. Temptic, hi, welcome. Hello again. I hope you had a good birthday. Did you upload the music on Down to Jam site? I mean, I think we did like a link to this, so the music should be part of it. Oh, you're eating. Good kitty. It's also very sensitive, so I'm trying really hard to not move too much. Oh, you can upload the tracks. Oh no. I don't think that was a thing when we did it. It was like the first one. That would be cute though. I mean, it wasn't an asset we made. It's from an asset pack. So I don't want to like take credit for it. Cabbage! Okay, no, this one's name is Kezer. I guess we can't do lowercase. Of course I'd accept. Look at you, Kezer. You're so cute. You're pink kitty. Yeah, okay, well... Oh, you did a poopy, Kezer. In our home. I'm just gonna poop. Yeah. Oh well. No, you're fine. Oh, Kezer wants hands. You want these hands, Kezer? Edna doesn't give a shit. Yeah, we had plans to like do this whole streamer interface where it would auto-name the cats after people in chat. Alright, cat just pooped. I remember animating the pooping on stream. That was really embarrassing. Oh, you want to sing? Come back. Oh. Give him a drive-by. They do get stuck in the bathroom sometimes. Because he's eating all the food. It looks like you're pooping on the floor. Oh, maybe it's just the angle. No, you're fine. Pooped after, walked away. Oh, no food. Banana. Alright, this is gonna be David. I accept you. Oh, we got a second bowl. So the bowls and the litter boxes expand as you get more cats. I feel like I've explained it at this point, but I'm just kind of enjoying running around. And I don't know what to do. Because I just published my my demo, and I'm nervous about it. So we're gonna just play this for a little bit and pretend it didn't happen. Like, it's a little silly, a little cozy. Yeah, I would have loved to have, like, just more interactions around the house. Like, sitting in the chair. Maybe more like of an animation when the cats need something. And you satisfy their need. And like more decoration would be cool. Come on. Don't you do it again. Sometimes they do double poop. Yeah, it gets super crazy. And there's like nothing else to do, but like when we submitted it to the jam, the people testing it, like the other jam people, played it on stream for hours, which was super funny. It was my big boy's 7th birthday yesterday. Oh, is that what the cake was for? Fresh cooked fish for dinner. That's so cute. Oh, it's for you. But like to celebrate. Let's get more food. You know it's clean when it makes a sparkle sound. I think Coda's here with food. Where's more cats? I'm expecting many more cats. Oh, thank you. Could you shut the back door? Thank you. Alright. I think we all got the gist at this point. I'm gonna end this. Okay. Anyway, okay, so I did this. And then we just need to do this separate, that's fine. Trailer. screenshots, GIFs, make a devlog, publish theme page. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to read us out. I'm going to eat my food. I'm going to send out a key to anyone else that signed up in Discord. And I'm going to be back tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. I might just play a game. Yeah, Temptic, if you want a key to the Stop and Smell the Flowers playtest, you can react to this post here. I can send you a link. Just me. Do I get a card? No. So yeah, thank you guys for being with me for this. This was, I feel a little shook. And sorry for that, but I think it's gonna be good. Enjoying it so far. Almost got the first whole row unlocked. That's awesome. And the playtest will be for the full game, not just the demo. So you will get to try the full game. Min-maxing. Wait, what does that mean? 9 plots. Oh my gosh. Okay. Post screenshots. Maybe I should open a... Well, just post it in the Stop and Smell the Flowers thing where you did the sign up. I would love to see... I would love to see progress. In fact, actually, let me make a new channel like I did for the Hexery. Stop and... Or I'll just do Stop and Smell the Flowers Playground. Okay, so I'm making a playground channel right under it, under the feedback forum. So you can just post screenshots there. Please post any fun screenshots or comments you have from the playtest videos. I know I'm not sharing my screen. Comments you have from the playtest that you would like to share. Okay. Some of the collections off screen. Yeah, so the ones that are... Wait, you can't move the... Hold on. What do you mean you can't move the collections? So I'm pushing in the center mouse. But it should also work with panning if you're using a laptop trackpad, like a scroll. What were you trying to do to get it to move? Can you tell me? Because I can add it if there's an intuitive way to move these around. Left click and drag, right click and drag. Oh, okay. Left click drag. Okay, I will add that to my to-do list to add that in. That's totally doable. Yeah, no, it's center click and drag. So left click and drag is very doable. Okay. In fact, I'll just do that really quick because, yeah, we already have. We already have the logic for the drag. Yeah. Or maybe change it to unhandled. Or no. That's fine. This might be an issue though. If you're like this, then it drags it away. Yeah. And it would drag in the opposite direction, you'd think. But I could do like... Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's actually gonna work. Because the left and right mouse you already move, or like use. And if you move your cursor at all, then... I hate that sound. The hover sound? Too deep. Oh. Middle mouse click. Yeah. My ears absolutely hate it. Me sorry. That's okay. That's good feedback. Yeah, I'm just thinking, how could I add that as an instruction? Enter. Plus drag. To scroll. Hey Jotson. Hola, ¿cómo está? Me llamo iHeart. Okay, so if I'm gonna set this up as a pop-up, I'm thinking it would just appear every time you open this for like a second. And I'll get like an icon here. So it'll be an icon for the center button plus drag to scroll. And then I can have drag and to scroll translated. And I'll get the icon here and I'll add some logic so that it pops up when it's visible in the parent and then fades out after a second. Doesn't do a mouse collision. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to read us out. Jotson, I have hot food sitting next to me and I want to eat it. So I'm going to go do that. The bee moving is adorable. What bee? Is that something else? Eat the food. Yes. Eat the food, take a nap, do an update. Cyberblade Fish, thank you for the follow. On the collection screen. Oh. Yeah, we'll go enjoy the food. We'll me and enjoy the food. Alright, no one's watching on YouTube, so I don't have to worry about... Don't have to worry about ya. Okay, yeah. Please, like, leave any feedback. Even on the demo. I would be so happy. And, hopefully we can get the playtest approved. And stuff next week. That would be really nice. So we're gonna go raid Mr. D-Boy. And tomorrow, I'll try to have like all my screen recording done before tomorrow so you don't have to look at it on stream. And we'll do something else fun on stream tomorrow. So, yeah. Have a good one, and I'll see you then. Bye.